Directed by Moana Derlin and Dave Molenkamp. Assistant Director Kara Jennings. Choreographed by April James. Musical arranger Josh Green. Additional band staff Matt Farrell, Heather Hopus, Bradley Browning, and Sam Mulligan. Show Choir Nationals is proud to present from Los Alamitos High School in Los Alamitos, California, Trax.
My daddy was a ragtime trombone player. My mommy was a ragtime cabareter. They met one day at the tango tea. There was a syncopated wedding, and then came me. Woo! Boop boop be doop, boop boop be doop.
In her black and white eyes, bold and passionate, life has panache on its own. My life's more routine. I'm just glad if my laundry is clean. But oh, it's a hell of a time. Guns, perversion, and crime in the streets. Hey, a crook's gotta eat. We're lost with our morals at sea. It's all confusion and jumbled. But gee, in her black and white world, there is clarity. Everything's where it belongs. And if I close my cynical eyes, maybe then I can see the elegant, bold, passionate, colorful girl inside of me.
In her black and white eyes, you're adventurous. Without consent, you're a star. Women here impress.
I'll bob my hair and get a new dress.
Outside, it's a hell of a time. There's perversion and crime everywhere. Neighbors don't care, so why be optimistic at all? When you're confused by the chaos recall. That's in a black and white world. There is clarity, everything's where it belongs. So close your cynical eyes. Try and look for the beauty to see the elegant, bold, colorful, naughty,
Naughty, well,
girl inside of you.
Ooh, that dress, so scandalous. You know another fella can handle it.
pop spots. Cruise to the cruise to connect the dots. Not just her bitch, she liked the pop. She was living la vida loca.
She had dumps like a truck. It's like what? All night long.
Let me sing that song.
Oh, baby. That song. I like it with the beat ring. Baby, make your booty swing. I know you wanna sing that song, yeah.
Girls need a break tonight. We're gonna take a chance to get out on the town. We don't need no romance, gonna let our hair hang down.
The best thing about being a woman is the prerogative to have a little fun. Oh.
Totally crazy, forget my lady. Men shirt, short skirts. Whoa, get the action, feel the attraction. Curl my hair, do my neck. Whoa, I wanna be free and feel the way I feel.
Whoa, man, I feel like a woman.
Broad-shouldered women, opening doors, pulling out chairs, so charmingly arrayed. Strong silent times, where pinstripes, the scent of leather, and pomade, we're the ones God had made. Women, you've made an oasis. We live through the day so we can be here, where everything and nothing is clear. No fear in here. It's our time. Women and rush from something custom made. My God, blue surf gives me an urge, the scent of salt sweat and pomade. Somehow my virtue's been mislaid. Oh Lord, my nerves are getting frayed. I can't keep up this pressure, make my heart slave for
Bow with the bow, the bang, diggy, 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 said the boogie, set up, jump the boogie. Bow with the bow, the bang, diggy, 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 said the boogie, set up, jump the boogie. Bow with the bow, the bang, diggy, 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 said the boogie, set up, jump the boogie. Her name is Betty. Betty Boop.
First things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it.
Let 'em feel it.
Cup of Ace, cup of Goose, cup of Chris, high heels, something worth a half a ticket on my wrist.
On my wrist.
This is color breaking day. Can you beat that?
Beat that.
Top like we bringing 28 back.
What?
Bring the hooks in, world of ASAP. Bubbly, spilling, you should taste that.
I'm so fancy. You already know I'm in the fast lane. From LA to Tokyo. Party girls, they don't get hurt, feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, I push it down.
mess. Gotta get out now, gotta run from this. Here comes the shame, here comes the shame. Where am I? Where am I going? Is it somewhere that I want to go? And when I get there, is that where happy is? Or is it somewhere I already know? Sometimes I feel like I cry without a noise. Sometimes I feel like somebody chose my choice. Yes, you know I'm not from here. Local legend, I sung here. Yeah, but now that I've come here, it's where I wanna be. Huh? Love the music you're playing. Got me stomping and swaying. Yeah, I can go, but I'm saying it's where I wanna be. Let me hear some Louis Armstrong licks, bass and boogie in the mix. Now Cap Calloway from kicks and leave some room for me. I said leave some room for me.
Los Alamitos High School Soundtracks.